Hello little nippers, I'm doing some washing. I hope it's a nice sunny day so I can hang it on the line. We take our soggy washing, when the weather's fine, out into the garden and peg it on the line. We leave it hanging there to dry, but if it starts to rain, we rush into the garden and bring it in again. Splish, splosh, raindrops, can you hear the sound? Splish, splosh, raindrops, puddles on the ground. Splish, splosh, raindrops, hear the thunder crash. Let's all pop our wellies on and make a great big splash. Raindrops, can you hear the sound? Splish, splash, raindrops, puddles on the ground. Splish, splash, raindrops, hear the thunder crash. Let's all pop our wellies on and make a great big splash. I wonder, do you like splashing in puddles? I do. And rain is so good. We need rain to help the crops and vegetables and fruit grow, so we've got good food to eat. Here are some words from the Bible. God has shown kindness by giving you rain from heaven and crops in their seasons. He provides you with plenty of food and fills your hearts with joy.